Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and tapping on it. If you never used it before, make sure to tap Allow in the pop-ups. And then to start recording, hit this blue button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, choose the same button. In order to add a bookmark, hit the left one. And to end it and save it, the right one. As you can see, my recording is here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. In order to rename it, hold it. Choose Rename option at the bottom and name it however you want to. Then select OK. In order to get rid of it, you can hold it as well. But this time tap on Delete in the next to Rename at the bottom and then choose Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!